Three, two, one. Hey there, welcome back. And before we start, let me check my mic is working. Perfect. My mic is working. Hold on. You see, it is so lean back. I just won't be able to record this. Yeah, perfect. My mic is working. The recording is on. And the timer is on. The screen is also getting shared. So hey there, welcome back, guys. Look where I am. You wanna see where I am? Hold on. Look at where I am right now. Crazy, brother. I'm just doing a trade update from the inside this bus, so-called AC bus, but I'm just so much. I'm literally having a sweats right there. So I don't know this is working or not. Probably. So all right, let's start this trade review for today. And today is a Friday. Just a second, my oh shit, man. This is perfect. Just as we talk about, today is Friday, and we are not currently looking for any trade because the market is gonna get over. So let's do the trade update for the currencies which we have shortlisted. Let's sum this video, the whole weekly video. Look at this. This is the first currency which I was looking into, Euro odd. I think so. I'm speaking so loud. I should be speaking so low, but my mic will not catch it. So look at this. Just because of exact timing, just because the time was not correct, I didn't took this trade. And as I man, holy man. I'm just afraid now to sit behind, but it's safe a lot. Okay, so I just can't take my eyes from the road, man. This driver is like NFS or what? Need for speed, like a racing. All right, let's. Holy brother, I think so. This is a new driver. Yeah, because the professional driver never do musti. All right, so let's continue where we left off. Man, this is so much distracting. Man, now there will be speed breakers. I'm just holding myself like this. Okay, let's continue. You know what? Let's finish the distraction. And let's continue where we left off. Okay, so just because of this was a brilliant trade. We should be taking this trade. Perfect. Just a second, man. The camera is perfect. All right, this was a beautiful trade. We should be taking this trade, but we haven't took this trade because of the timing. Timing was not correct. We have beautifully avoided the loss. My mentor have took this trade. And I haven't took this trade, and I avoided the loss because of this. The things were not clear. It was not clear, you know. So next is AUD USD. Let it load. As per I have predicted. Holy shit! What we were looking into AUD USD, we were looking for buy. Okay, I literally forgot about this currency. Oh yeah. Hey shit. Yeah, we were waiting for the buy. Look at my lines over here. So we were waiting for break and retest to the upside, which never happens. Never took the trade, and we have avoided a loss. But once it breaks, once it retests, and now we are having the engulfing candle. But look at the time now. We are having the engulfing candle at New York session is gonna get started, which is not good. So I'm just not interested. And also, this is the last session, so market is gonna move nowhere. So just have patience. Don't take this trade. Absolutely not. Next, but whatever I predicted has happened to the perfection. We were waiting for break and retest to go to the upside. We got the break and retest, and we going to the upside. But the issue is we can't take the trade because the session is not matching. So be patient, brother. If you can't be patient, just don't trade. Do something other than this. Next is Euro USD. brilliantly what we predicted over here, looking for buy. Oh yeah, brother. So look at this. This was a Thursday. Yeah. So we were waiting for the engulfing candle to the upside. We got the engulfing candle. We were waiting for the retracement to the area of interest. We got the retracement as well. And then we were taking a trade, but the timing was not correct. And we have avoided the loss to the perfection. That's it. I mean, what else? Look at this. Oh yeah, also one more thing. This was an intraday trade. Again, let me sum up what we were. This is something which I'm experimenting on. This is not proven, so I can't take this trade at all. I'm just experimenting this in just experimenting it. I'm not taking this trade. I'm just keeping the risk reward ratio right there, and I'm like, if we got, we got. If we don't, we don't. That's it. Simple is that. You guys are making it complicated, and you just being nowhere. But the prediction was correct. A long term, I mean, as per the weekly prediction, this was going to go up, and it gone up. It didn't given us the entry signal. We haven't took the trade. That is the Euro USD, and last two currencies from that one.
It's 18:30.
Is Euro CAD. Let's go for the Euro CAD, the next currency. Man. Look, look at this. I have literally predicted this move to the perfection. This is gonna go up, but I was waiting for the retracement to take this trade. We didn't have the retracement, and we didn't take the trade. But the move have already happened. We can say we miss nearly about $2,000 right here. But this was not into our trading plan, so I will not even consider this. Absolutely not. Look at this. As I said, it is gonna go up and it's gonna get stopped. It gone up and it stopped. Literally. Nowadays, whatever I'm saying, it has happened to the perfection. Like exactly. I'm a god of market, brother, as you all says. But I'm in burst right now, so I can't speak the way I am speaking always. Come on, man. Next is NZD CAD, which was, we have excluded this currency because it was not looking good. But look at this, man. We missed nearly $10,000 right here, man. Crazy. Like this is a crazy trade. We got the break, we got the retracement, and we got the shift of structure the way we wanted to. Look at this. We got the retracement, and if we go on the 1 hour time frame, we got the beautiful shift of structure. We got the beautiful engulfing. We should be taking this trade, but I haven't took this trade. Now your question is, why, Udesh? Why? Like why? Because it was looking good on the lower time frame, like on 1 hour time frame. But look at this. On 1 hour we got the break, shift of structure, engulfing, ready to go to the upside. How in the world I'm looking in the camera, like moving from here, there, here and there, here and there. This bus is moving me. But on the higher time frame, we were not looking good, you know. We were not the way it should be. So I didn't took the trade, which makes me avoid the profit. It is what it is. It's a part of a game, man. Look at this. It's gone so upside. Crazy trade, man. So if we go on a probability basis, what is the probability of my prediction, and what I have predicted and what has happened? What is the probability of winning? We can safely say it is 100%, man. It is very rarely. It should be 90% most of the time, but this week we got 100%. If I take all of the trades, if I take all of the trades, I would end up making somewhere around, nearly $25,000. Crazy. But we have to be sometimes we have to be disciplined a lot. We just have to be disciplined, man, because sticking to the plan avoids the loss in a long term, which also gonna avoid the profits, but it's a short term profits. We're not over here to make money. We are here to predict the market. That's how your attitude should be. You guys are coming on the market to make money, and that's why you lose money. I cracked the code, my dear brother. We're gonna I'm planning to shift to Dubai. Oh sorry, not Dubai, man. New York. pretty much within 4 months, 4.5 months. That's, yeah, you were asking me a lot more questions was there when you're coming. Yeah, so here we go, 4.5 months, and that's there. This is it. You know what, like, I wanted to drive to the Pune, but I'm like, rather than driving, let's sit in the bus and let's do our work, because if I drive, then who is gonna work, man? So it's better to use the leverage. This is a leverage, man, but it's a very risky leverage, man. Look at this. It's like driving like a. You wanna see his drive? Let me flip the laptop. Look at this. Look at the road. Just focus on the road. Hope it is clear. Look. Wait a second. No, the road is not clear because it's having a lot more brightness right there. Oh shit. Guys, there is gonna be happen something. I can see it's coming, brother. Look at how close he's looking, man. So close. It's not that safe. Alright, so let him do what he do. We will do what we do, and we are completely safe. We are because we are sitting a lot more behind. So yeah, it is what it is. I should be hiring a driver, man. That should be an option. Alright, boys, welcome back. And yeah, you were asking about Sunday swings, huh? When I'm gonna do the analysis and when I'm gonna share my trades. Man, please, like, I'm getting my phone bulk of messages, but I just don't have time to reply you all. So just have this video. That's an answer for you. That is probably tomorrow. I can't do this. Usually do the tomorrow, but tomorrow is gonna be having shifting, so I just can't. You know, I am gonna be free after the end of after when I'm just not saying into the camera, man. Hold on just a second. Yeah, perfect. I was continuously seeing on the road. Yeah, I'm right there. Alright. So tomorrow is gonna be having shifting, so we just can't do the analysis. I need that patience. I need that silence zone. I need no one is gonna disturb, because we're predicting the $1 trillion market. It should be no disturbance right there. That's how we grow. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Pretty much Sunday is gonna be prediction day. I will predict the markets to Sunday. That is day after tomorrow. Today is Friday. Come on. I'm gonna share the trades on Sunday. So you're gonna have to wait till Sunday. Monday is gonna be market open, so you have to wait for it. Alright, signing off. Have a wonderful day. God bless you all. That's it. Hope for the best. Hope for a safety ride for me. Signing off.